back with another mail time for you guys. We are back once again to do a bunch of sneaker unboxings, and I think this one is actually like some hype clothing as well, so good mixture of stuff in here. But you guys can tell that I'm kind of backed up, man. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, so a bunch of stuff to open. One of these is a very hype shoe, and I don't know how I caught that for retail, so we'll be saving that one for the end. But a lot of cool stuff in here, a lot of cool information for you guys. So if you guys want to check out a mail time episode, then stay tuned. That is all coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mail time for you guys. Sneaker haul, sneaker unboxing, whatever you guys want to call it. Basically, this segment is where we open up packages, showing you guys different kinds of shoes that we caught for the week, and we've got some very hyped releases for you guys. So I'm excited to open those up. No sponsors today, but if you guys are checking out that thing in the back over here, Tobu Sneaker levitating sneakers, highly recommend you guys check that out. We do have an Untied discount code running right now. Use code UNTIED at Tobu Sneaker and you will get 10% off your order. If you guys didn't watch that video, I'll also link it up over here. It's a pretty cool product, man. But that is not what you guys are here for. You guys are here for sneaker unboxings. But before we get into the sneakers, I have to open up this. This one is from Laced Up, and it's not a mystery box. It's actually the first time I've bought something from Laced Up that wasn't a mystery box. 2 pieces in here today, and I gotta tell you guys, I did cop these because on like Laced Up, one of the cool perks, I guess, if you buy like mystery boxes and stuff on there, is that you get like credit towards your account. And with that credit, if you get enough points, you guys are able to get like stuff for free. So I actually like spent enough points, because I do buy all the mystery boxes myself, spent enough points that I was able to get like $100 discount code if you spend another $100. So they kind of trapped me there, but it's okay. I got 2 cool shirts for you guys. So the first shirt that I got, this one is actually a pre-owned, but this is the Jean-Paul Gaultier, something like that. I'm not French, I believe that's French. Can't really pronounce that well. But yeah, this one just dropped in the spring summer 2019. And I mean, it's a pretty solid shirt, and this one was going for like $100. So technically I got this for free because I just used points for it. I'm not big on Supreme, but I just thought this one was a little bit unique. Kind of liked it, and for free, man, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. And then what I actually ended up paying money for so I could actually use a discount code was something else that I really wanted. So this one is a fragment design. So for you guys that don't know, this is Raichu. Come on guys, it's Pokemon Raichu. Pikachu, Raichu, come on. Raichu is on the front over here, and you guys can see the fragment thunderbolt coming out of his tail. So that's where that like collab comes into play. Additionally, on the back, you guys can see Thunderbolt Project by blank and Pokemon. So I had to cop this one as well, man. I actually really like the Fragment Thunderbolt collabs. Those things are pretty dope. Those are the 2 shirts that we got. Now we can get into the sneakers. And so you guys can see we have a Yeezy 350 box. This one is in a size 11, and we were able to cop a pair of the Yeezy Landmark. This is the region exclusive for North America that just dropped recently, like a couple weeks ago. And you guys can see it's nothing to write home about, man. You guys have probably seen a lot of videos on these already, and you guys probably also know that the resale value of these is not doing super hot. I think it's just because it's too similar to like all the other models that Kanye's making. Basically, he's just changing like the colorway and making it lighter or darker. And so it's just, I don't know, people are starting to get over it. It's getting played out. The V2 is getting played out. I did say on my Twitter, if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, at Untied Hawaii, basically what I said is if I caught any of these for retail, I would give it to you guys for retail. I changed my mind about that. I know, I'm sorry, I went against my word, but I don't want to sell it to you guys for retail. I'm going to be dropping this one for $100. And the way I'm going to be dropping it will be on the secret drops for September, I believe. Yeah, September. If you guys don't know what secret drops are, basically, if you guys are channel members, you guys are able to access secret drops, and you guys are able to cop shoes for a discount, like a huge discount. Like right now, I believe there's a Yeezy Sesame on there as well for $5. Insane value. It is literally the only place on the internet that I feel like you guys are able to cop these shoes for these kinds of prices. Like, no other site is giving you Yeezys for $5. No other site's gonna give you a Yeezy Landmark brand new for $100. Like, it doesn't work like that. But because you guys are like donating to the channel and you guys are doing something for me, I wanted to give all of that back to you guys. So basically what you guys are doing is creating a pool, and the more people that we have involved, the bigger drops I can do. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with this. It's only like $4.99 too, which would make it like the cheapest membership in the world. You guys are able to upgrade to higher tiers. There's gold tier and diamond tier. Diamond tier is insane. If you guys are in the diamond tier, bro, we are bros. So you guys can check that out if you want as well. Hit the join button. That's where this will be going. I'm sorry I lied. I'm not selling it for retail. Selling it for $100. So this is an interesting one, man. I wasn't expecting to pick up this shoe, but I'm glad I did. I got it for retail actually, and this is a very unique box. You guys can see there's like holes all over this thing. The shoe that we have actually is an off-white pair, and the off-white pair is a pair of the Tiger Kiger 5s, and this one is in that green colorway. If you guys want to check it out over here, I'm sure you guys have probably seen this already. One of the craziest off-whites because of like these spikes that are coming out the bottom. It looks like a track shoe, but these are meant for like trails and like hiking and whatnot. So a very like rugged shoe, and that makes sense for the kind of terrain that you're gonna be walking in. This is the first time I've seen it in person. I didn't realize it's like made out of foil. I think that's kind of cool. The rest of the shoe, I mean, like, it's crazy. That's what Off-White is known for, is crazy sneakers. This one lives up to Off-White's name. But yeah, I was able to cop this one for retail way after the initial release because I copped it on Frenzy app. I don't know how I got through. I was just there at the right time. They're not going for insane numbers on resale market, but anytime you can get an Off-White for retail, I think that's a good cop, right? So yeah, we'll try to hit up some trails and maybe I'll vlog it for you guys. Okay, so this one is actually from Net Magnetism. We talked about Net Magnetism in the past. Basically a raffle site in Canada where you guys are able to get like shoes for like discount prices. If you like put in 11 bucks, there's a chance that you could get a huge shoe. This one is not a huge shoe, unfortunately. I think I came in like 10th or 15th or something, but you do get like some bonus prizes and stuff, and that's where I got this mystery pair. This one is a 10.5 Air Max 2 Light. Oh wait, actually this is a good pair. I believe these are Atmos, Air Max Atmos. But yeah, if it is, that's a good shoe. So check it out over here. This is a dead stock pair of Air Max 2. I believe Atmos, and it is crazy. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different colorways on here. There's a whole bunch of different patterns. I think that's a very interesting shoe. Not something I would wear personally, so this is definitely going to be resold, but I believe on the market, I think they're going for like 100 bucks, maybe a little bit over 100 bucks. So for $11, that was a pretty good come up. Not the main prize, which would have been huge. I think it was like a Yeezy 2 or something, but I'm happy with this, you know, as long as you get your money back, I think that's cool. So this one, good little pickup from Net Mag. You guys can feel free to check it out over there. However, trust me, it is very, very hard to get anything on there. So try it, but yeah, don't get crazy attached to it because it is definitely all luck based. Like, it's all luck. The last shoe that we have though is a big one, guys, and if you guys are followers of the Instagram at Untied Hawaii, you guys know what this one is already. Let's check it out. And we have a pair of the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scotts, man. We got a pair. I was not hyped for this one, but I was hyped that I was able to cop it because the resale on these things is incredible. Like, I think they're going for like 700, 800 bucks or something. If you guys for some reason haven't checked it out yet, this is what it looks like under the camera. Same exact color blocking as the Jordan 1 High. Reverse swoosh over here. It's got like that brown upper with like this black base. Also has wax laces, which I think is a cool touch. 3 different lace bags, you guys can check it out. Non-wax black laces, pink laces, and red wax laces. So pretty cool over there. There is Travis Scott's logo on the back up here. I don't think this one has a stash pocket, so nothing crazy over there. However, I haven't been seeing too many people wear this thing, which is really interesting because the resale is insane. It's like 800 something bucks and it's only going up. And I don't get it because it's a Jordan 1 Low. Like, nobody likes lows. If you like lows, that's cool. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to diss you. I'm just saying that for the most part, people aren't interested in lows. And it's a weird shift because whatever Travis Scott puts out, basically people fall in love with. So maybe all the other lows will blow up and, like, I don't know, value and hype. But for now, I think this is the only low that people are super hyped over. I know people were asking about my resale predictions for these things too. And I want to let you guys know it's very hard to predict this because Jordan 1 Low, it's a low. I don't know how it's gonna go, but it's been rising steadily. People are saying it's actually gonna go higher than the Travis 1 Highs, like those in the back over there. But I don't think that's the case. It's a freaking low. Like, can you imagine this being more than that? I can't. Even if it's more exclusive, I just can't see it. So I'm not sure what I want to do with this one yet. The color blocking and stuff and just the way it's set up kind of reminds me of like a Nike SB. So in that respect, I kind of don't mind it. Like, I wouldn't mind wearing it, but I don't know, I'll probably end up just selling. I'm trying to actually like consolidate my sneaker collection, so I don't know if I want like stuff that I'm not super 100% feeling. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. Maybe I'll put it onto a channel membership drop eventually. That's why you guys gotta join. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. This is another episode of Mail Time, and we have some very cool boxes in here, I thought. Good diversity, got a couple shirts from Laced Up, and then a whole bunch of sneakers, so that's that. Anyway, if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more Mail Time episodes. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!